कहाँ गए थे? Where were you? Where were you? अंदर आ जाओ। Come inside. Come inside. बाहर मत जाओ, don't go outside. Don't go outside. इधर देखो, look here. Look here. उधर देखो, look there. Look there. बैठ जाओ, sit down. Sit down. नीचे जल्दी आओ, come down quickly. Come down quickly. खिड़की खोल दो, open the window. Open the window. खिड़की से बाहर मत झाँको, don't peek outside the window. Don't peek outside the window. आटा गूँथ दो, knead the dough. Knead the dough. रोटियां सेक दो, cook the rotis. Cook the rotis. सब्जी कढ़ाई में बनानी है, vegetables need to be cooked in the pan. Vegetables need to be cooked in the pan. प्रेशर कुकर सीटी दे रहा है, the pressure cooker is hissing. The pressure cooker is hissing. सब्जियां काट दो, cut the vegetables. Cut the vegetables. फल धो दो, wash the fruits. Wash the fruits. जूते पहन लो, put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. टी-शर्ट पहन लो, put on your टी-शर्ट. Put on your टी-शर्ट. कपड़े अपनी जगह अलमारी पर रखो, put your clothes away in the wardrobe. Put your clothes away in the wardrobe. सामान मत फैलाओ, don't spread things around. Don't spread things around. खाना किचन में रखा है, the food is kept in the kitchen. The food is kept in the kitchen. बैठ जाओ, sit down. Sit down. इसमें सोचने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to think about? What is there to think about? इसमें चिंता करने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to worry about? What is there to worry about? इसमें डरने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to be afraid of? What is there to be afraid of? इसमें खुश होने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to be happy about? What is there to be happy about? इसमें परेशान होने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to be upset about? What is there to be upset about? जरूरत से ज्यादा मत सो. Don't sleep more than enough. Don't sleep more than enough. जरूरत से ज्यादा मत खर्च करो. Don't spend more than enough. Don't spend more than enough. यह जरूरत से ज्यादा धीमा है. This is slow more than enough. This is slow more than enough. तुम जरूरत से ज्यादा चिंता कर रही हो. You are worrying more than enough. You are worrying more than enough. यह काम जरूरत से ज्यादा कठिन है. This work is difficult more than enough. This work is difficult more than enough. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ खुश रहता हूँ. I feel very happy with my friends. I feel very happy with my friends. मुझे आपके साथ आगे बढ़ना है. I want to move forward with you. I want to move forward with you. तुम घबरा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you being panicked? Why are you being panicked? उसके घर में मेरा बहुत सम्मान है. I have a lot of respect in his house. I have a lot of respect in his house. आप क्यों मेरी बात नहीं मान रहे हो? Why are you not listening to me? Why are you not listening to me? अब तो आलस के दिन आ गए हैं। Now the days of laziness have come. Now the days of laziness have come. उल्टा वह मुझसे नफरत करती है। She rather hates me. She rather hates me. वे आपसे कितनी बार मदद मांगेंगे? Comment your answer. यह मुश्किल लगता है। It sounds hard. It sounds hard. यह आसान लगता है। It sounds easy. It sounds easy. यह अच्छा लगता है। It sounds good. It sounds good. यह अजीब लगता है। It sounds weird. It sounds weird. यह डरावना लगता है। It sounds scary. It sounds scary. यह मजेदार लगता है। It sounds fun. It sounds fun. यह उबाऊ लगता है। It sounds boring. It sounds boring. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ हूँ। I am on your side. I am on your side. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything could happen. Anything could happen. कौन कौन है वहाँ? Who all are there? Who all are there? उसने मुझे धोखा दिया। He cheated me. He cheated me. मुझे धमकी मत दो। Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. शुरुआत तुमने की थी। You had started. You had started. आराम से take it easy. Take it easy. मैं उसे नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will not spare him. I will not spare him. घबराओ मत। Don't panic. Don't panic. मुझे चोट लग गई है। I have got hurt. I have got hurt. वह तुतलाता है। He babbles. He babbles. कोई परेशानी है। Any problem. Any problem. यह मेरी गलती नहीं है। It's not my fault. It's not my fault. तुम घमंडी हो। You are egoistic. You are egoistic. ज्यादा भाव मत खाओ। Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. कुल्ला कर लो। Rings your mouth. Rings your mouth. तुम कब उठते हो? When do you get up? When do you get up? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? उल्टे जवाब मत दो। Don't talk back. Don't talk back. यह सब तुम्हारी करतूत है। It's all you're doing. It's all you're doing. क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? तुम कितना कमाते हो? How much do you earn? How much do you earn? चाय को गर्म कर दो। Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. इसकी कीमत कितनी है? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो। You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. तुम लंगड़ा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you limping? Why are you limping? ये हुई ना बात। That's the spirit. That's the spirit. जल्दबाजी मत करो। Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. यह मेरी गलती नहीं है। It's not my fault. It's not my fault. वह मनहूस है। He is jinx. He is jinx. वह घर पर हो सकता है, he could be at home. He could be at home. कहीं नजर न लगे, touch wood. Touch wood. ऐसा कभी सोचना भी मत, don't even think so. Don't even think so. क्या कोई खास बात है? Is there anything special? Is there anything special? कोई खास बात नहीं है. There is nothing special. There is nothing special. अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो, don't take out your anger on me. Don't take out your anger on me. मैं बीच में नहीं फंसना चाहता, I don't want to be stuck in the middle. I don't want to be stuck in the middle. मैं नहीं चाहता कि तुम बीच में फंसो. Don't want you to be stuck in the middle. Don't want you to be stuck in the middle. इधर देखो. Look here. Look here. उधर देखो. Look there. Look there. फिर आना, come again. Come again. ध्यान रखना, take care. Take care. आगे देखो, इसका आंसर कमेंट करें.